you, a Filipino, be proud to be a Filipino. Why? Because being a Filipino is being a country. We are Filipinos. Whatever our beloved country produces, we shall be proud of it. We shall be satisfied. We have to persevere our dreams. Persevere and attain. Keep reminding ourselves to persevere that goal. To persevere that goal for our country's betterment. We Filipinos are known to be hospitable. We have the determination to build our goals and to be successful. Achievements here are created. We Filipinos are united. We are simple and modest in the sincerity of our love, our devotion to God. We must respect our brothers and sisters, Muslim Filipino or Christian Filipino. I am a Filipino, positive thinker. Positive thinker. We're very optimistic. We Filipinos are so cooperative. That's why Bayanihan is born. We Filipinos are so respectful. That's why po and opo is said in honors of elders. We Filipinos are very religious. That's why our prayer is our vows. Pearl of the Orient, Philippines, the land of the maiden. 7,107 islands. Each and every island is composed of beautiful and unique scenery. Philippines, Philippines, my blessed land. Delicacy and tourist spots are plenty here. Adobo, isaw, and palot are reminiscing by foreigners. Bohol, Baguio, and Boracay are just examples of our beautiful tourist spots. We are Filipino. Even we have a problem, we can face it. Yes, we are. Even we have a problem, we will rise and we can face it and show the world we can. I am a Filipino, never losing hope. Prayer is my weapon and God is my strength.